Sump pump alarms signal potential flooding. They activate when water in the sump pit rises too high, often from excessive groundwater infiltration due to heavy rain, plumbing leaks, or poor drainage. The key culprits are high water levels, float switch malfunctions, and power or battery problems. When you hear the alarm, first inspect the sump pit for any debris and ensure the pump is properly submerged. Next, manually test the float switch by lifting and lowering it to see if it moves freely and activates the pump. Check the power cord, outlet, and battery voltage. Core fixes include 1. Inspecting the sump pit for debris and ensuring the pump is submerged correctly. 2. Testing the float switch by manually raising or lowering it. 3. Checking power cords, outlets, and battery voltage, ideally 12 volt plus. When troubleshooting sump pump alarms, start with the most common triggers. If high water is causing the alarm, check that your pump's capacity in gallons per hour matches your home's drainage needs. A pump that's too small will struggle to keep up with excess water, often due to clogs from mud, stones, or debris. For float switch problems, the alarm may trigger due to debris or corrosion hindering its movement. Clean the switch carefully to remove buildup. Misalignment can also cause issues, so reposition the switch if needed to ensure proper operation. Power failures often stem from outages or dead batteries. Modern systems use lithium-ion batteries for extended runtime during power loss. Consider upgrading to a battery-powered backup with self-diagnostic features that alert you before alarms activate. Routine maintenance is crucial, including annual cleaning and testing to prevent issues. Experts emphasize that 80% of sump pump alarms stem from simple issues like clogs or battery depletion, which are easily solvable.